Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be going to the beach. We're celebrating my cousin's birthday. You must be the famous Kiko. Cheers! Cheers!
Vegan! Because of y'all,
That's so much said.
We have the garage. We have the garage now.
Where's Airbnb? You're just in Airbnb.
No, but we don't have that.
Mari, that's not our Airbnb.
You went there? Out. Wait,
I ripped everything out of the fucking store. I was ready to go in.
So get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess.
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Yeah, no, all I'm saying is you gotta pre-hydrate before you dehydrate. Which means...
What was the hashtag there?
Hydrated before intoxicated.
Oh, yes.
Go,
Alright, we got the hydration, multiplier.
Multi Playboy?
Yeah,
Okay.
no, sponsored by Costco.
Okay.
Shout out to Bosco for that.
We're not sponsoring though, but okay. Hit it, baby, hit it. Hit it. Pretend it's your ex.
That pretends you.
First shot, who's taking the first shot? Mari's taking the first shot. Okay. Is it nap time, buddy? It's nap time? Oh, he's not. He said no.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
I can see it. AIRBNB.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we finished with the decorations. Now we're gonna go get the pizzas.
And I'm driving.
And she's driving. She's a DD apparently.
I am because yo no tomo.
Consejos. But yeah, we are gonna go get the pizzas and we already have everything else ready. Now we're just gonna spend some time in the pool after we pick up the pizzas. And then we're gonna go in and we'll be like, surprise. Like that. I'll be right back.
When you don't have a mask, you wear your babe shirt.
We're getting that pizza one way or another.
Hurry up.
We secured the bag. Let's go. Alright, so we made it to the Airbnb.
We did a long time ago.
And we had Julie go open the door for us. They still have no idea what's gonna happen. So
Do they not? Oh, the birthday girl. Yes.
the birthday girl, we hope she has no idea what's gonna happen, but
It's already cold, guys. We're supposed to get in the pool, and I don't think we're getting in the pool anymore, and I'm mad.
babe, we're missing all the fun, babe. Whoa. We're going to the beach. No, we're not. We're going to the pool. We're going to the pool. Alright, alright.
I have a dead dying. If anybody asks y'all, we're fucking.
¿Qué onda, pobres? ¿Ya llegué?
A todos los palomos dicen que tienen millo, pero no tienen nada. Tengo Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, todo lo que tú quieras ver. Palomo, alerta.
Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, chones, 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 chones. Porque tengo los millones, tengo los millones.
Corre que tengo lo mío. Nada no me hace feliz, para ti falta. Yo juego con mi Lambo y 100.000 en tu la banca. Egocéntrico como el pana arca. Estoy veado porque la meta está muy alta. Vamos a volar, a volar, a volar. Vamos a volar, a volar. Vamos a volar, a volar, a volar. Donde estoy pegado, donde tú nunca estarás.
She used to be a church girl, you guys.
Where's his poor dad?
Era un alma de Dios, ¿qué le pasó?
Hey, let's go. Hey.
Alright, so Brie wants some alone time. We're gonna give her that.
La noche entera, sin cojones le tiene si se entera. Afuera. Oh my god, is this still recording? Hey.
My hair.
This is our first, I would consider this our first
Our first trip.
We've done smaller trips, but this is definitely the first.
Yes, because it's an overnight trip for
The
me.
first of many. Where's you? One, two, three.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Woo!
Amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, and happy.
Okay.
Alright, so we finished getting ready. We're all just go. Everybody's pre-gaming right now before we head out. Where
Not
are we
me,
going?
no, not me because I don't drink.
Yeah, she doesn't drink. Everybody's
We're going to the club.
everybody's ready. Here we go.
We're going out, pero yo ya tengo sueño.
Ya me quiero dormir.
Pero nos traen aquí.
I was joking around and I was like, oh, you know what? We're kind of tired. We're just gonna stay.
Oh my god, I thought it was Kirby and it's a freaking dog.
Alright, buddy. Yeah, he's been around here. But yeah, we were just like, we're just gonna stay, just to kind of see what they would say, and they were just like,
I don't know. It's fine.
Vero almost got mad at me. That's why I was just like, I'm just kidding.
But we actually did want to stay.
Yeah, we did. Where are we going?
To the club.
Where are we going?
To the club.
Mari, you still have your drink? Chug, 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 chug. Hey! Chico, chug, 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 chug. Babe, chug, 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 chug. Chug, 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 chug. Oh, she's choking.
Okay, the thing is, we're really hot. So,
Yeah,
it's gonna be a good time.
Nah, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are.
We haven't made it to the club yet. No, we made it to...
Why are you walking the other way?
Because there's lighting, duh.
Fuck this lady.
We made it to a club, but hella... Not our family. Not our family. Our culture. So they were playing all kind of whack music.
Too many white folks.
So we decided to go home and we'll see what we do there because Jesus Christ, it was like a 15-minute walk to here and now it's a 15-minute walk back.
It just didn't work out today.
Yeah, ya tengo sueño. Así que...
We're not made for this kind of life, you guys.
No, I'm already too old. Me breathing hard.
We gotta hurry up.
Oh, catch up. Okay, for
I miss my comma.
Me too. Alright guys, we're back to our locación.
And I think this concludes the first day.
The first day, because it's 2 days.
Of Mari's birthday.
1 night, 2 days.
Yep. And
we're
we're both sober.
Literally.
So
literally.
I was like,
oh, I am.
The next morning.
hi guys, welcome back. It is day number 2. We just woke up. Everybody actually already left. It's just Brie and I right now. She is in the restroom getting ready. We're gonna end up meeting everybody at a breakfast place. I still don't know where, but we're just gonna get ready. Brie and I are the last ones here, and we're just gonna check out for them. So, babe, where you at? Babe. Babe, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just packing your stuff up.
Swear freeloader. You swear. Did you get one for me?
No.
We're not stealing. We're not stealing.
It said free.
But alright, guys, we're about to check out, and we'll meet you guys over there at the breakfast place. Hey guys, guess where we're at? Hey.
We're paying for parking.
We're at the parking spot trying to pay $205.
It expires at 107. An hour and 27.
Confirm.
Where did it?
Okay, we're good then. We're going to the beach. I feel so good out here, you guys.
I had to put my sweater on. It's cold. You can see my eyes? No, because it's dark.
No. Can you see mine?
Sunglasses?
Can you see my blue eyes?
No. No, moreno.
Can y'all see my blue eyes? Mari, ¿qué dice la cruda?
I'm not cruda. No, you're the one that slept until like.
I needed my beauty sleep.
Where's the beauty?
In the sleep. Cruda? Anybody cruda? No? Nothing?
We're drinking again.
Perfect. I love it. What?
Nothing. Because I'm in trouble.
What'd you say?
Nada. Nada como pescado. Nada.
You look like a pescado?
I look like
Is that what I heard?
pescado. Yeah.
We're gonna call it a Duvalin.
I just have a bag.
You see those muscles?
I just have a bag.
Dang, let me see you. Do a dance, babe. Do the dance. Do the dance. Let me see. Do it again. Do the. Do it. 1 hour, 208, or
It's already 107. A little bit more, just in case. How are you feeling? I'm headed there. You can hella just see your teeth. No.
Expires at 308.
308. All right. We're heading back, guys, to meet the group. Do it. Do it again. Do it again.
You missed your chance. Oh, they brought my car.
Oh yeah, we're gonna hop on it real quick. Going, I'm right here. We're gonna go get bicicletas. If you don't know what that is in English, it's bicycles.
Yep, what she said.
Yeah. So we're gonna see how much they cost because, sheesh, people are broke here. Me too.
We're using your car.
Ah. ¿Quién dijo? Yo no dije.
Okay, Terminator. What's that? You show it to my guy outside. Okay.
Thank you. We get the 2-seater. Yeah, he's right here.
Hey, VIP. This is the break right here.
Yeah, 2 pedals.
Fuck, my knee's already hurt. I'm out here with my drink in my hand.
This feels weird.
Reggaeton or what?
No. I can't steer. Look at this.
Oh. Y no te veo. Do you want to drive so I can vlog?
Wait, yeah.
You need to drink in here.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, it's fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation. Make my life vacation. When we are together.
I feel like I'm gonna. Hey, I forget I have to pedal. We're going uphill now. We should have gone electric. My knees are getting out of me. We're gonna start going backwards. We're not gonna make it up the hill, you guys.
Pedal, babe. Pedal?
I'm trying. We're almost there. We're almost there. So the pedals break. We're going 7 miles right now. 7 miles an hour. Our limit is 10, you guys. Oh shit, I'm losing control. Hey.
Hello there.
Hello,
We have 25 minutes. Oh snap. Do you think that's from here to there? We should probably turn around already. No sabe, papá.
Okay, we got it.
Now I'm tanning this side. You guys saw my different color? Yeah, I'm tanning. Tanning this side.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Can't get up. Guys, we're late. We have 10 minutes. You are always back and forth.
Like, baby, you're so cute.
I do not act like that. I do not act like that. No, I don't. This is how you laugh. He's so sophisticated.
When I laugh really hard, I'm like,
No noise.
we're gonna have to
Alright guys, we are almost there with 2 minutes spared.
Thank you for riding the Alex Express. Muchas gracias por manejar con Alex Express.
Make sure you grab all your stuff before you leave.
Llévense sus chingaderas.
Alright guys, this is what we had rented. But we are back.
We are done with the bike ride. A lot of fun. Highly recommend. Really good stuff. But now we're gonna go head to the car and we're gonna try to catch up with everybody else. So let's go.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby, I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no, you're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for.
Alright you guys, so that concludes the end of this vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed the vacation at the beach at the Airbnb. Me? The Airbnb, the partying, all that stuff was really fun. If you guys enjoyed this vlog and if you guys want to see more, just go ahead and leave a like, a comment, share it with someone, a family member, a friend, your cousin, your friend's cousin, the corner guy, your cousin's pet's brother, sister, whoever you guys want to share it with. It really does help us out. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, just go ahead and leave a like. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
The people surround me. Yeah, here